Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Review Information. In this video I will show you how to update apps in iOS 13.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Apple made changes to the App Store for both iOS 13 and iPadOS. One of the main changes is around app updates. The App Store updates are no longer available in the Updates tab on the App Store. Here's how to update your apps in iOS 13. Tap on the App Store app to get started. Tap on Today tab at the bottom left corner. Click on the user profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. This brings up the account details. Scroll down to the section Upcoming Automatic Updates. You can tap on Update next to the app to update individual apps. Or you can tap on Update All to get all the app updates. The iPadOS app updates via the App Store are essentially the same process. Once the apps have been updated, tap on your user ID profile to see all the recently updated apps. So that is how you can update apps in iOS 13. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.